Tremendous cute, tremendous cute, tremendous cute.
Who's your favorite pitmaster's favorite pitmaster?
Ray! Yeah!
Hey, what's going on, Tremendous Q fan? Just your boy here, Wade Morris, owner of Pitmaster Tremendous Q. And if you have not noticed, I got something new for you guys. Yeah, nope. Anybody figure it out yet? I got a new camera, a new microphone, a new structure, a new format for you guys. Now delivering 4K content, more cinematographic material. So for everybody that has been hanging out with the channel for these last 6 or 7 years, thank you. I appreciate you guys' support, okay? Now, for everybody that's new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, cut on those notifications, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up, okay? Now, I'm cooking up bison for you guys, okay? My first 4K video is going to be on bison, and I am taking a step off the ledge. We are actually diving. I'm going to be doing this recipe with coffee grounds. Anybody that's followed this channel for any amount of time knows that I hate coffee. I hate the taste of it. I hate the smell of it. Coffee is absolutely terrible. But I really wanted to step outside of my comfort zone for you guys and bring you something new for the first time here with this new content. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. All right. Beef? Nope. Get it right, Terrio. Bison chuck roast. All right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. And we're going to... There is not a lot of fat on this thing at all. So for bison, we got our brisket rub, some coffee, and a little brown sugar, okay? Now, rumor on the street is bison it's a gamey meat, but it does not have that strong gamey flavor that you're used to with some of these other proteins, right? Like deer and elk, etc., etc. So we don't have to go super strong with the spices. So let's go ahead and get this thing seasoned up. All right, so I like you guys. Like, I really gotta like you guys, because this is coffee. And if anybody's been watching this channel for any amount of time, I have heard of coffee grounds being used as a rub. However, it is not something I'm a fan of. When I say I hate coffee, I hate the smell, I hate the taste. There's nothing about coffee that I like. So we got the coffee in there, we got the brown sugar in there. Gonna go ahead and add the rest of our brisket seasoning. All right, and we're gonna mix this up really good. Okay, I think our rub is ready. So let's go ahead and rub this bison down. All right, we're going to hit it. Oh God. I'm only doing this, I'm letting you guys know I'm only doing this because we are shooting with new equipment and I'm excited, okay? Now I can't stick my hands back in there. We're shooting with new equipment, so I'm trying to be special for you guys, all right? And I'm really hoping that this is not something that I regret, okay? And I am pretty sure I'm going to have... All right, what do you guys think? I think that's pretty rubbed down. You agree? Yeah, I'm not putting more coffee on this. All right, so here's the deal. I am tying this off because we have this section right here. All right, it's a little bit split, and I want this thing to cook evenly and be mildly presentable when I take it off the pit. So, not doing anything super fancy. I'll just go ahead and regular knot tie. let's go ahead and put this bad boy on our pit. Go ahead and get some of that excess water off. We'll go ahead and place this We are about 15 minutes in. Let's see how, ooh. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Yeah, I think that's looking pretty good. All right, so you can see our chips have burned down. Still got a decent amount of water in the pan. And our bison is doing pretty good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and close this lid. It's about 15 minutes in. Give it another 15 minutes and we'll come back out and see how it's doing. All right, let's see how we are looking. It's been about 30 minutes, 15, 30, no, two 15-minute intervals. That would make 30 minutes into the cook. All right, what do you guys think? Okay, coffee coming through. Coffee is coming through. Let's get a quick temp. Where we at? 37, and we are only going to take this to about 140, 145. So I think we don't got too much longer. Maybe another 10 minutes and we'll be able to pull this bad boy off. All right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy off. That looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead. We're gonna take this off, and then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, add a little bit of coals, and we're gonna get this temperature kicked up to about 600 degrees. All right. We're doing a reverse sear on this bison chuck roast. All right, and I don't think I mentioned that earlier in the video, but yes, we are doing a reverse sear. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to add a few more charcoals, we're going to wait a couple of minutes, and then we're going to sear this chuck roast off, and then it'll be time to eat. All right, let's go ahead and set this to the side, add a little charcoal, and then we'll go ahead and sear it off. All right, I'd say we got us a fire. Let's go ahead and listen for that sizzle. Ooh, boy, that's sexy. That's sassy right there. All right, we're gonna let this sit for about a minute. I'm gonna leave the lid off, but I am gonna stay out here and watch it. You guys, with a little bit of movie magic, you're gonna go ahead and see it here after about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. All right. All right, you guys, I think she is done. Blacker than black. Again, I'm going to attribute that to the coffee. Yep. There's that nice close-up. Let's go ahead and get it inside. And now for the moment of truth. All right. So we have ourselves a bison roast. It should be cooked 145 degrees. We were going for medium-ish, medium well. All right. Yeah, might have been. Nope. Nope. I think that's done pretty good. Let's go ahead and see what it's. Oh, wow, that is a little tougher than I thought it was going to be. So that coffee taste is definitely there. Wow. It's not bad, but hopefully the family likes this because I will have to eat it with a little bit of steak sauce. In the end, coffee, definitely not my cup of tea. There is a characteristic, there is a hint of that coffee flavor on this roast that I'm quite simply just not a fan of. Maybe if I added a little bit more salt, which I think I'll do here when I plate it. Let me get a good cut down the middle, show you guys. Yeah, I mean, That's cooked. That's cooked perfectly. Yeah. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Yeah. Just not a fan of coffee as a rub. Coffee grinds, coffee beans, etc., etc. Not a fan of those as a rub, but I will say that this roast was cooked perfectly. So for anybody that would like to try it, if you are a fan of coffee, go ahead and check it out. With that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video off here. I had a really good time shooting my first 4K video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video here on the channel. All right, peace.
You guys can come and eat.